so much, Sujata ma'am, for this amazing training session which we had in the morning. It was really good because you gave us so many tricks and tips for the stress management. We will remember them and we will follow them. Thank you so much, Mansub sir, for arranging such an event for us. We look forward to have much more sessions with you. Thank you.
Good afternoon. Myself, Miss Annette, Faculty of Business Studies and Economics, Travel and Tourism from London Academy, Doha. First of all, I would like to thank the London Academy management as well as our director, Mr. Manseeb, for organizing such a wonderful session. Secondly, I would like to thank Ms. Sujata for accepting our invitation and coming for a session in the morning. I thank you, ma'am, and it was such an energetic session and I really liked it. We look forward to have much more session in future. Thank you and God bless you.
Hello, Sujata ma'am. It was a pleasure meeting you for that, energetic session that you had given us today. This is Fiza, Faculty of English from London Academy. Cheers to you. God bless you. Looking forward for many such wonderful sessions. And thank you, Manseeb sir, for stirring us and giving us a real stress buster.